Hello everyone, my name is Yan. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Shanghainese sweet and sour spare ribs. If you didn't know, I am originally from Shanghai, so this dish is near and dear to my heart. Us Shanghainese people love our food extra sweet, so this dish does have a lot of sugar, which means this is not a diet food. Okay, let's get started. For this dish, you will need 1.5 pounds spare ribs chopped into little pieces, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine, you can also use sherry, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 4 tablespoons black vinegar, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, half cup rock sugar, you can also use light brown sugar or white sugar, 1 slice of ginger, and 1 scallion chopped. First, let's clean our spare ribs. We do this by adding spare ribs to a pot along with your scallion and ginger. Then add enough water to cover the spare ribs and add in your Shaoxing wine. Turn on the stove and bring to boil. Allow your spare ribs to boil for a couple of minutes, then strain out your spare ribs and give them a good wash in the sink. You can discard the scallion and the ginger at this point. Place the spare ribs back in the clean pot, cover 2/3 way up with water. Turn your stove to medium-high heat. In the pot with water and spare ribs, add in your rock sugar. Like I said, you can substitute with the light brown sugar or just regular white sugar. The reason I prefer rock sugar is because it gives the finished dish a beautiful shiny glaze. Also, I think it tastes a little better, but I could also just be biased. Add in 3 tablespoons of black vinegar. You want to reserve the last tablespoon for glazing at the end. Add in both of your soy sauces and the white vinegar. Stir to combine, then cook on medium-high heat until sugar has dissolved. Because there's quite a lot of sugar in this recipe, you will need to stir occasionally to prevent the sugar from burning at the bottom of your pot. Once the sugar is fully dissolved, cover the pot and bring the contents to a hard boil. Once you have reached a boil, turn down the heat and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or until the spare ribs start to soften and pull away from the bone. After simmering, remove the lid, turn stove to high and let it hard boil until most of the sauce has evaporated. It will take around 15 minutes. Make sure to give the sauce a stir once in a while to prevent burning due to the sugar. In the last 5 minutes or so, when most of your sauce has evaporated, you want to keep a close eye and stir the sauce often. This is a critical stage where the sugar can burn easily. Once the sauce is thick and sticky and glossy, you can turn off the heat. Do not let the sauce evaporate completely. That is a sure way to burn the entire dish. Once the heat is off, you can add in your last tablespoon of black vinegar and stir to combine. Plate up your spare ribs. Make sure to get all the sticky sweet sauce. My youngest daughter, Savannah, is addicted to this sauce. This dish is also a favorite of my older daughter's best friend. We haven't had her over for dinner for a while now due to the quarantine, but I can't wait to cook this for her again. Finally, garnish with some chopped scallions or cilantro if you like. I personally hate cilantro. You can also garnish with some sesame seeds if you are fancy. And it's time to eat. This dish is easy to make, doesn't require a lot of ingredients or time, and is delicious over rice. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you can give me a like and subscribe to my channel. That way more people can find my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I wish you and your family are safe, happy, and healthy. Bye!